What's going on? Welcome back to another episode. We're out here on Newman this morning. 5 o'clock, bright and early. Matt's with me again. So new lake, new challenges. Figure out what the bite is. It's raining pretty hard. Did not have rain in the forecast. A big fish just jumped right there, so we're gonna get after it, I guess. We'll see what we can do, but I mean, it is pouring right now. So it's 56 degrees though. Water's decently warm. So we're gonna give it a shot. I don't know how the audio is, but guess we'll find out. See you guys later. All right, first spot. There's a stream that puts in over here, so we're gonna give it a shot. You probably can't hear me at all because it's windy also and raining, so that's nice. But got a little Texas rigged Guggen baits crack and crawl in there. 3/16 ounce. See what can happen. We're in about 13 feet of water right now. 57-degree water temp.
Not too much junk down there at the moment.
Yeah, there shouldn't be grass built up yet. This is a pretty grassy lake. It's known to be grassy.
I feel my top water right now.
Ooh, I feel.
Huh?
Nah, there's weeds. I'm dragging through them. Whew, the hands are gonna be cold today. Can already tell you that. I don't want to jinx it right now, but it's calmed down a little bit.
The wind died at least.
We're gonna try to get up close to this cover.
Ooh, I'd say that was good.
See if they're pushed up shallow. Cause yeah, we went from 13 feet to 9 feet in like in no time.
So we're
Little time check for you. It's 5:44. A little later start than we wanted, but the rain kind of stopped things, or slowed things, I should say. There's this nice sandbar right here from this stream putting in, and there's a drop off about 15 feet in front of us. We're just kind of pulling the plastics over that into that deep zone, see if anything's hanging out there. But then again, the swim bait
that.
would probably be a better move.
I feel like should be throwing my spinner bait right now out here.
So Matt's got the spinner on. I'm still rocking the soft plastic for a little bit.
I definitely haven't given up on the
Really want to get my first Texas rig fish of the year, so
I hear you.
favorite way to fish.
I kind of feel like
My hands are freezing.
yeah.
There we go. Yeah, you can feel the vibration.
Super smooth. Alright. Got him? Got that log real good?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good log. Good log. Got out of the... That was an ordeal. I was stuck trying to pop it out. I accidentally clicked off my bail and just big ol' amount of backlash. It's a good morning. It's a good morning.
Hey, hey. Oh, I bet you guys didn't see that, but that was the best catch of the day right there.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think they're pushed up with that rain, but now that the rain's over, I can see them pushing up. But the fact that the pressure system's still here, I mean, we still got what? It says like 4 days straight of rain.
Yeah. We'd probably be better off if the weather was different, but we could be sleeping right now. How lame would that be?
Could be going to work on time.
Yeah.
I like that in the last video. What are we gonna tell work if we start catching them? I thought it was funny. I was like, I gotta put that in.
Yeah. I'm trying to fish it out a little bit, like fish it away.
There we go.
Nice, dude.
This feels tiny. Feels tiny, but it gets the skunk out of the boat, baby.
Nice, dude.
Woo!
Nice largie.
Little baby largie.
I mean, he's not nice, but yeah.
First one, little guy.
At least we know they're biting.
Yeah, hey. Oh, skunk's out of the boat, thank goodness.
I'm very happy about that. That's, man.
He hit it really soft. There's still, I think, I mean, it's 58. Water's warming up back here. Whew, first Texas rig, baby. Oh, he was a little doinker, but yeah, we can move up from there. I know it's gonna keep raining and I might not catch a fish all day, and I don't even care. Could always be one of those days. Ooh, there's a nice sized tree right below us. Right here, Matt. Look at that thing.
Really?
And look at all the bait around it.
When
we get to the dock, cast back right at.
I'm gonna turn around and throw this.
So in line with this close big tree.
I'll probably just chuck the spinnerbait back there.
That looks like a big brush pile. I don't know. Yeah, spinnerbait would work.
This might be the difference, right? Honestly.
Oh, I think it just broke off.
You did?
Yeah.
What just happened? How'd you break off there? Was that a fish?
No, I was dragging on something. I felt it and I was pulling it and I was like, well, it could be a fish, so I sent it, and that was...
Oh, I guess you're lucky you found that when you did, huh?
Not the right call. Alright, this thing just kept popping back. My bail keeps snapping back. Man, I lost all.
Oh, I hate it when that happens. You can leave us right here while you retie. I'll just turn around and backfish that log you were talking about.
That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to turn this around. Oh, gosh. Oh,
God. Oh, there we go. That one's a little nicer.
Oh, there's another one with it.
I know. Ooh.
So we got a problem.
What's that? This is a nice fish, Garrett.
Bring him here. Nice smallie. Whew, that's a nice small.
Yeah, I think we better get a weight on that guy.
Look at that. That's a good one.
Very happy.
Nice
Hey, and I
job.
just turned the video on.
Right in the top of the mouth.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, he was a pretty nice one. Not bad at all. Gonna give him a little soft release because he's a nice boy. Go ahead, bud.
Oh, you got.
Oh my God, that was fun. I forgot. Texas rigging is the best.
All right, retied. Matt caught that fish. I just realized I left my tackle box in the boat, or in the truck. So I had to use what I found on the ground, which was a little bandito bug. Green pumpkin. So we'll give that a toss. I'm gonna circle us back around because Matt's fish definitely had one chasing it. Like, I could see it plain as day.
Yeah.
I have to go back to the boat launch.
I mean, I will, like, again, you gotta have your gear.
Yeah, normally it's in the back with the rods. So I
Yep.
didn't even think about it.
I actually did. I did think about it, but I went back, I got the coffees, and
I
then
didn't even think about the coffee.
I think when I went back to get my, to go get it, I ended up putting on the boots instead.
There you go. That's kind of pretty good. You got your drag going?
Oh, yes, he is good, Garrett.
Ooh, nice largie. Oh, shoot. Oh, dang it, I lost mine. Look at his lip. Dude. Woo!
Apparently this dock's the goddamn shit, huh?
Mouth, come on. Look at that. 8 are strong.
Oh. Got her right through the top again, huh? She's pretty nice. All right, we're gonna put her back. That was like 2 real nice, 2 3.5 pound fish, a largie and a smallie, like on the same exact log, within probably 10 casts.
So what we're doing right now is, I mean, we're fishing with these soft plastics because, well, we're at 3 fish now with the soft plastics, and we're just trying to target docks, and side imaging on the graph I can kind of pick up some stumps and stuff. And I mean, one of the brush piles we saw earlier is what Matt caught that largie off of.
And small, you came.
Yeah, so I don't think they're pushed up shallow, which we are getting shallower. Like, we're in like 7 feet now.
Well, yeah,
So
I know.
I might, honestly, the other side where it gets deeper might be the juice.
Dude,
So everyone knows, we don't have a bilge pump in here, so.
It's definitely started raining again.
Yeah, the rain might have started back up. So I haven't even got like a bump or anything.
No, me neither.
Not saying they're not here, but we're in 6 feet of water, and I don't think they're pushed up shallow yet here.
That was gonna be my very next comment, actually.
It's a top water popper, circa 2000. Can't get these bad boys anymore.
Don't make them like they used to.
Sure don't.
Second spot, we just came across the bay. It was 4 feet there. We hadn't gotten a bite. I mean, all our fish were caught in like 10 feet of water. Of course, that magic number 10 right now. This lake's still cold enough, and with this weather, I think they're not pushed up shallow, so. We came to this side where it's a little deeper. You can tell, you know, it's like a floodplain right here, and then it goes to some rocky hills. When I woke up and I checked the weather, oh, I'll let you fish that. I saw rain until 2 in the afternoon, and I was like, and I had a text message. I was like, I wonder if he just said no, but no.
Oh, you know me, dude.
Yeah, the commitment's here.
If it was snowing, I would have been here. Like, you never know. You never know.
Yeah.
I've never tried it in the snow before.
Yeah, so before I had the graph, I based all my judgments off what the bank line looked like. You can tell a lot of what you're fishing by the bank line. Like sandy bank, it's flat, obviously a floodplain. So, I mean, it's gonna be sandy and flat right here. Where we're going, start seeing some basalt outcrops and a little higher elevation, you know that you're gonna have a steeper angle. Steeper angle for that dangle, baby. Ooh, that rain went right down my neck.
Dude, it is starting. It's raining right now.
Yeah.
It was pretending to rain earlier.
She's raining, bud.
Now it's raining.
I mean, as long as we don't see water coming up over the cockpit floor, we're fine.
As long as we don't start sinking,
Yeah.
we'll be just fine.
I think that's everyone's rule on a boat.
Huh?
I think that's everyone's rule on a boat. As long as we're not sinking, we're fine.
I was like, dude, I gotta like drive right by there. And last night I was like looking for a water cup and I saw that thermos and I was like, ooh, I can get Garrett some too. Like, that'll make it worth it.
I should just got my cup off my desk.
Oh yeah, huh?
Put it on my desk.
I never even thought of that.
Oh, Matt's got another. There we go.
Not quite as big.
I'm just getting destroyed today. All right, I swapped to the same thing Matt's using because he's just killing it. And the bandito bug ain't doing anything. And I don't have my tackle box, so.
Rain.
Remember when you said it wasn't gonna rain?
Dude, Remember when you said we weren't going to catch any fish?
Yeah. Guess we're both souls. Swim bait on by now.
I thought you were going to... Oh, you said you got lazy.
Yeah, I got lazy. Ooh.
After catching those big fish, when I got back on that dink, I just rubbing out.
Oh.
The water.
There we go.
Nice.
Little one. Matt's got the juice.
Good. All right. Good.
It is a little guy. Little friend. I'm just gonna catch the old squeak squeak McGee's today. So don't mind me. Catching poundage over here, Matt. Thanks, bud. Woo! Look at that. Double axle, triple backflip.
I'm feeling there's something down there.
It looks a little grassy on the graph.
Yep,
Grassy on the graphy.
yeah, I got
Yeah, this wind is starting to make it a little chilly. Little chilly, chilly, chilly. I'll go do that concrete tomorrow. Where do you have to go, plumber?
Yeah, I called JR yesterday. I called him and I was like, "Here's one." I was like, "Oh, I had to go out to sports track, so I think I'm just gonna go do that tomorrow." I told him from the beginning I was just gonna do it today.
Oh my God, I just had a bite and I totally hesitated. I wasn't sure. There he is.
Nice.
No, feels like a doink doink McGee. Not a largie, about the same size.
Yeah.
Quite light colored, huh? Thanks again, bud. Well,
He came up.
he didn't want to leave. I got 3 fish for a weight of 1 pound. Time check for everybody, 8 o'clock. And we got 6 fish total. 4 doinks and Matt's nice smallmouth and largemouth. Oh, there's another one.
Somebody should be throwing a jerk bait.
Who's gonna be the one? Oh, like an expert. Yeah. Actually, now that we're coming up to these rocks, you're 100% right. No.
Are you gonna change your battery too?
Now I'll wait till it dies.
You getting something over here?
Yeah. God.
What you working
Well, I thought it was just a little peckerfish. Another little doink doink McGee. Yeah.
on? Killing the doinkers. Makes me think like maybe we should.
Later. So we're at this rocky point and it's pretty deep. 17 feet, 15 feet. And we know it just extends out a ways. It's just all rock, so probably just gonna do some blind casting with the old Texas rig. See if anything happens. Matt put on a jerk bait. Let's see. I would throw a deep diving square bill right now if I had my stuff. But I'm limited to what you have. So
Which is not real.
that would, like, I would change baits, but I don't have my tackle. They're in the truck. Just out here catching my doink doink PB right now. All right, last spot of the day before I gotta go into work. Trying these points. The spot I wanted to go to had another bass boat there, and actually we just had another bass boat roll up on us, so maybe this is the spot. And we're going back to throwing the exact same baits. She is raining a little hard right now. Time check, 9:32. Got about 20 minutes before we gotta head.
Is it deep right here?
15. I've wanted to throw the spinnerbait all day and I haven't. And I think I'm gonna throw the spinnerbait for the rest of the day unless we get something off this dock. Like
This cast?
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, I had to pick between the white and blue spinnerbait or the white and red spinnerbait.
Well, if I would have known the water clarity was like this, I would have said get the... There we go. There we go. Nice. He feels a little better than the past few. Yeah. Where is he? Oh, just kidding. He's a squeak squeak. He's probably my biggest one.
He is not a squeak squeak.
He's pretty squeaky.
Squeak, that one's a whale.
Oh wow, look.
So nice. It didn't even just poke.
I just had him pinned. Well, say hi. I'm just the squeak king.
Yep, you beat me on
Ooh.
numbers now.
Let's see if he'll jump back in the boat. Yeah! Well, I was gonna switch to the spinnerbait. Maybe I'd get something bigger with the spinnerbait, but
Let me fish this behind you.
We still pretty deep.
That's another problem with the braid is that it likes to stick. There you go. That was nice. Nice. Oh, he's a jumper. Dude.
Oh!
No. That was a nice one.
Don't!
Oh, man.
All right, time check for everybody. It's 9:56. I was supposed to leave for work at 9. That got delayed. But we're gonna fish these last 2 docks and then call it a day. So see if we can get anything. We're gonna get Matt unstuck and it's time to head in and go to work. What's going on, everybody? Thanks for joining us for another early morning episode with Matt, of course. We're drying off. It rained the whole time.
Until we got off the water, then it stopped.
Yeah, till the very end. Now there's no wind, it's rainy, and the fishing's probably gonna be pretty good. But besides that, we did pretty good. I mean, 8 fish in 5 hours in heavy rain. I mean, the John boat's got a good 2-3 inches of standing water in it, so I'm gonna have to shop back that out. But that's besides the point. I mean, no real size today besides Matt's 2. I mean, he got a decent 3.5 pound largemouth and a 3.5 pound smallmouth, which is pretty awesome. Everything I caught probably weighed about half that, so that was good. But yeah, we plan on exploring all these lakes that are around us, you know, radiating out from Spokane. And this Newman Lake was just another one on the list, so we knocked that off. So yeah, we'll
Say you got a pretty good grade today.
yeah, it was fun. I was impressed. When Matt showed up at 4 o'clock this morning and it was pouring rain, I thought it was pointless, but I'm glad we stuck to the dedication and went out. It was worth it. And if you guys notice, there's my tackle right behind me. Yep, forgot that.
It's dry.
Fun. Yeah, it's super dry. That's what I was going for. I didn't want my baits to get wet, obviously. But thanks again for tuning in to another episode. Like always, please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Willder out. Yeah, there's no structure. That's why you have to go for the... Although... What in the f*** was that?